Just a few hundred yards uphill from I-15, the tower fire sprung to life Monday afternoon. And Old Glory at this Scipio rest stop tells you why.
It's pretty windy yesterday and the wind's still going today, and we don't know how it's going to be. Hopefully they have it under control.
We worry about it every summer.
Aubrey Woodard and her husband moved to Scipio from the Salt Lake Valley several years ago.
I did hear this one was man-made, which is such a tragedy. And in a year with this drought, it's really hard.
Fire officials say it's also early in the season to be dealing with something like this.
Everybody use your fire sense. We are, everybody knows we're in drought, and we're in early June right now and seeing, fire behavior that we're not typically most of the time seeing till the middle of summer, come July, August, so use your fire sense.
Besides being a comfortable distance away from homes and structures, locals say there's something else that's working in their favor.
These last couple big rainstorms we've had have really helped kind of keep that at bay. I think it would have been a heck of a lot worse. It's, we've got a lot more greenery this year, not quite as dry.
Yes, we've been very fortunate to have several rainstorms in the last month, and the vegetation was coming in nicely.